me as I cook my tribal food oje, as I cook corn. This is the combination of corn and elubo. Corn and cassava flour, and corn flour. This is if you put water on fire. If the water boil, mix your corn and pour it. Turn it very well, then cover it. Let it boil for some minutes. Then come and be pouring your cassava flour and cook it very well. It's very good. It's natural. Compare it to semolina or semolina. It's very, very good. If you try it, you enjoy it. I like it too. As a village woman, as a local woman, as a village woman, I like it very well. Join me as I cook it. I put my oje. Come and cook oje with me. Oh. This is how to cook oje. Oje, oje. This is how we cook our own oje. This is how we cook our own amala. Corn flour and cassava flour. I like strong one. I don't like mini one. Go and try it. Very easy to prepare and very delicious. I prefer it to simmer. I like it. Go and try it.